Join the legacy of leaders at CGC Jhanjedi.
भूषण ज्वेलर्स अनमोल रिश्तों के लिए.
Rest of the members, they are raising their hands.
Sir,
Like this
Honorable
issue cannot
Speaker,
be
sir.
discussed. You have to reply.
this is a very paradoxical situation. Whereas the government and the state PWD has to reply on behalf of
NHI.
government of India and more. Whereas it is our prerogative to raise questions on the issues which the Honorable Member Shri Chandrasekhar ji has raised here pertaining to the maintenance of NH 70, which connects Mandi to Hamirpur and which is under construction for a long period of time. In the previous house also this issue was discussed in length and I had given a reply, a detailed reply on behalf of Morth. And today again I have risen to state the issues at hand which have been supplied to me by the concerned department. But I want to bring it to the knowledge of the August House that this is a very important issue on which the government, particularly the Public Works Department, and our Honorable Chief Minister is concerned about the way the work on this national highway is being done by Morth and the contractors who have been awarded this work. Recently, we had the opportunity to visit New Delhi, where a meeting was organized by the Honorable Road Surface and Transport Minister, Honorable Nitin Gadkari ji, and the Honorable Chief Minister, Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu ji, primarily rose this issue, and I also seconded this issue, whereas the substandard work being done in this particular segment was brought to the light of the Honorable Minister. And the Honorable Minister on record reprimanded the officials of Morth and the concerned contractor for the shoddy work that was undertaken. And as far as the state government is concerned, as has been brought to light by the Honorable Member, on number of occasions, I have personally held meetings with the RO, that is the regional officer of Morth, in my office, as well as I have on number of occasions visited the area in this various packages, that is from Hamirpur to Karnol, Karnol to Khalawan, and Khalawan to Mandi. But since I have been authorized to answer this question on behalf of Morth, I would like to bring on facts, record the facts and the answers that have been given to Morth, which are as under. The work of rehabilitation of and upgradation of two-lane configuration of Hamirpur Mandi section, 141 kilometer to 250 kilometer of NH 70 in state of HP under Green National Highway Corridor Project, with a loan assistant of World Bank and EPC mode is being executed by Morth under this project implementation unit, Hamirpur, and being carried out in 3 packages, which I have already detailed. Regarding the damages to pipeline, all the pipelines have been laid by the concerned department below the existing road. However, all the pipelines are being restored, if damaged, on an urgent basis as soon as intimated, in spite of the fact that the limited space is available for widening the existing road. Further, it is to submit that due to the unprecedented rainfall, loss of human lives and huge destruction, damage, and loss to public lives and property and private property has occurred throughout the state of Himachal Pradesh during the monsoon season of 2023, and most of the roads were damaged, blocked, and the state government has declared as a natural calamity affected area by so-and-so department order. However, in spite of all this, the aforementioned project road was open to traffic throughout the monsoon period, unlike the other roads. All the vulnerable households are being protected by the contractor on priority basis, subject to the availability of land. It is to submit that total 55 numbers of households abutting to the project strength has become vulnerable because of the last year and ongoing monsoons, out of which protection work has already been completed to at 48 households locations, and rest are under progress, which will be completed at the earliest as the weather permits. And also temporary protection work tarpaulin sheets at site to avoid further damages have been installed. Keeping in view the above, the government is concerned with the issue of honorable member and the government is sincerely working on it. And since I have already stated this, that this is a matter which needs the attention of the government of India, we are right now discussing the roles and the issues which the member of parliament should be taking up. My honorable colleagues have recently spoken about the statements which have been uttered by the member of parliament from Mandi parliamentary constituency, speaking on issues which have no concern with the state of Himachal Pradesh. These are the issues which should be raised in the honorable Lok Sabha, in front of the honorable ministry and in front of the honorable minister and prime minister in the Lok Sabha, which I am sorry to say but have not been brought and taken up by the concerned member of parliament in the Lok Sabha. But since this matter has been discussed in detail here, I assure the honorable member and all the other member of legislative assemblies also through which this national highway passes, that we will on a quarterly basis hold meeting with members of NHAI, the district administration, the deputy commissioners of Hamirpur and the deputy commissioners of Mandi have been instructed to have a monthly meeting with the contractors and with the agencies concerned, so that all the issues that have been raked up by the honorable member here are duly addressed from time to time. And in the times to come, I will again visit the area, and whatever needs to be done from our department, from the state government, will duly be addressed. I want to assure the honorable member and bring it to the knowledge of the honorable house. Sir, you gave me this opportunity to speak. Thank you very much.
मान्य श्री चंद्रशेखर जी, क्लैरिफिकेशन ओनली।
सर, ये जो माननीय मंत्री जी के द्वारा जवाब मॉर्थ की तरफ से आया है, इस पे भी आपत्तियां हैं। माननीय परिवहन मंत्री जी यहाँ बैठे हैं, माननीय अनिल शर्मा जी हमारे वरिष्ठ यहाँ बैठे हैं। इनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से धर्मपुर के लिए बस और धर्मपुर से इनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लिए बस पिछले 2.5 महीने से बंद है, बिल्कुल बंद है। और लोगों को, हमारे लोगों को बाया सरका घाट होकर मंडी पहुंचना पड़ रहा है। लोगों को 130 किलोमीटर होकर सफर पूरा करना पड़ रहा है, जहां वो 30 और 35 किलोमीटर दूरी पर मंडी हेडक्वार्टर पड़ता है। तो ये जो बात है, एम्बुलेंस नहीं आ पा रही है, ये बात छोटी नहीं है। एम्बुलेंस नहीं आ पा रही है, रेगुलर बसें बंद हैं, परिवहन विभाग की अपनी HRTC की बसें बंद हैं, दोनों डिपो इस तरफ से उस तरफ से दोनों बंद हैं। इसलिए ये सामान्य बात नहीं है। इसलिए मैं परिवहन मंत्री जी से भी चाहूंगा, और इनके पास इनका विभाग जो जल आपूर्ति और सिंचाई विभाग भी देख रहा है, वो योजनाएं भी हमारी पूरी बंद पड़ी हैं, 2 साल पीछे चली गई हैं। तो इसलिए कुछ स्तर पर इस पे संज्ञान लेने की आवश्यकता है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय PWD, यही एक ही इशू है कि जो सड़कें बंद हैं, एम्बुलेंस नहीं आ सकती, बाया जाना पड़ रहा है। उस परिस्थिति में PWD विभाग का क्या रोल रहेगा?
ये राहें हैं अनजानी, ये राहें हैं अनजानी, चलने की हमने ठानी, पीछे ना मुड़ के देखें, सपनों की है मनमानी। दुनिया की भीड़ से हटके हमें है नए से रास्ते, अपना नाम कमाना है, हमें आगे बढ़ते जाना है, हमें आगे बढ़ते।
Join the legacy of leaders at CGC Jhanjedi.
भूषण ज्वेलर्स, अनमोल रिश्तों के लिए।